guys, it's your girl Lola. I had bought this doll used online, and I got this outfit. It was like, I can say, just say it's $1. It's a pack of outfits, and it was like a good like 10 outfits, 10 dresses. It was like kind of different different colors, but different, you know, the same design of the dress, and it was like only like $5 or $6. So I just gonna say this dress cost $1 if it was sold separately. And like I said, I got this doll used, so I just put the outfit on her, and I was like, you know what, I want to turn this into like some type of glamorous gown or dress. So I'm going to use this old lace material to transform this dress into a beautiful gown. I like transforming clothes because I'm not much of a great sewer, and I don't really like constructing clothes from scratch. So I said, well, I'll use this dress for the foundation, and we're going to turn her into a luxurious, beautiful, glamorous evening wear. So her hair, I don't like her hair. It's very choppy, and it's blunt on the ends. It has some waves in it, but we're gonna, you know, turn her into really a glamorous evening diva. And I'll be back step by step. Okay, first step, I'm going to cut some material off. It's lace material. I'm going to cut some off, and I'm going to hot glue the lace onto the dress, and we're going to try to, you know, make it into a gown. Okay, for the hair, I braided it up, and I'm going to dip it in some boiling hot water to set her waves in, and we should be back with the finishing look. I'm kind of excited, y'all. Alright, be back. Hi guys, all finished. What y'all think? It's giving me Spanish glamour. Spanish evening elegance glamour. Oh my gosh. Okay, her hair, I braided it and dipped it in some hot boiling water. And just try to give her like some type of soft wave look. I added the lace on top of the dress and on the bottom. You give it an open effect. I think it's gorgeous. And I just topped it off in some purple heels that I had in my Barbie doll collection. So this looks wonderful. For this to be a dollar store dress, and it looks like a elegant evening gown, I think I did a wonderful job. Leave in the comments down below, do you like it? Did I do a good job? And what kind of other videos would you like to see me do? And I'll be back with another video. She looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Bye.